You know that strange moment when something feels both exciting and a little dangerous? That's exactly where DJI is standing right now. Just as the company gears up to unveil its brand new Osmo Action 6, a looming storm is building over the US market. It's not just about tech anymore, it's about survival. So here's the twist. DJI's Action 6 might be its last major launch in the US before things take a darker turn. Because, believe it or not, the US government is inching closer to putting DJI on the infamous covered list, the same blacklist that has taken down giants before. If that happens, DJI could lose the right to sell any wireless-enabled product in America. Yep, even their action cameras and gimbals could vanish overnight. But before we dive into that cliffhanger, let's talk about the camera that's making all this tension worth it. The countdown begins. Mark your calendars, October 24th, 2025. That's when the DJI Osmo Action 6 is expected to drop. Multiple leakers and insiders are whispering the same thing. Get ready for some action from DJI in the second half of October. That's not a coincidence. The Action 6 will likely go up for pre-order immediately after the announcement, with shipping starting in late October or early November. And yes, it should appear on DJI's official US website and Amazon store, if nothing changes with the FCC. Now, here's where things get complicated. While the Osmo Action 6 is set to launch, DJI's future in America is under serious threat. The FCC is tightening its grip on companies tied to national security concerns. If DJI lands on the covered list, it could lose access to FCC equipment authorization, meaning no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no sales. That's right. No new DJI drones, no new pockets, no new Osmos, nothing. But DJI seems to be improvising.
Remember how the Mavic 4 Pro and Mini 5 Pro never officially launched in the US?
Rumor has it DJI has been slipping products through under different company names, so-called shell companies. Security researchers have already linked names like Skyani, Cogito, Jovistar, and Lino Dynamics to DJI's network. Still, the FCC vote on October 28, 2025 could change everything. It might close those loopholes once and for all, blocking new DJI-linked devices from approval and potentially forcing rebrands or delays. The cliffhanger. DJI isn't holding back this time. The Osmo Action 6 reportedly packs a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a huge jump for an action cam. That means deeper shadows, richer highlights, and vastly improved low-light performance. Perfect for night rides or underwater shots. You'll also get 8K video at 30 frames per second and buttery smooth 4K slow motion at higher frame rates. The RockSteady Plus stabilization has leveled up too, now powered by AI-assisted horizon balancing. Even the battery is no slouch, a 1950 mAh cell promising up to 4 hours of continuous 4K recording. That's practically marathon-level endurance. And there's more. The Action 6 features direct integration with Garmin and Apple Watch, offering real-time fitness tracking and data overlays. Imagine jogging, biking, or diving, and your metrics pop up live on your footage. Yeah, that's futuristic. Built for extremes, DJI's gone full daredevil here. The Action 6 can dive 20 meters underwater without a case. Dual touchscreens, front and back, glove-friendly controls, and a sleeker, more rugged frame make it perfect for both vloggers and adrenaline junkies. As for pricing, expect the standard combo between $329 to $429, and the adventure combo around $479 to $579, with extra batteries and mounts for the wild ones out there. Here's the reality. The DJI Osmo Action 6 will almost certainly arrive this October, but whether it stays on American shelves, that's anyone's guess. This could be DJI's last great action camera to hit the US market in its true name. So when that pre-order button appears, you might not just be buying a camera. You could be buying a piece of tech history before the curtain falls.
Let's compare the DJI Action 6 specs versus Action 5 Pro.
Can you believe it? Two powerhouse cameras, both promising mind-blowing performance. But only one can truly take the crown. Which one will come out on top? Stick with me till the very end to find out, because the answer might just surprise you. Let's dive into the heart of any camera, the sensor. The DJI Action 5 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capturing 40 megapixel stills with a 13.5 stop dynamic range. Oh yeah, that means vibrant colors and impressive low-light performance. Adventurers love it for reliving moments in stunning detail. But hold on, the DJI Action 6 is rumored to sport a 1-inch sensor, a massive leap. This could dramatically enhance low-light capabilities and even enable 8K video recording. Imagine filming your skydiving jump or mountain biking adventure in ultra-high resolution. Exciting, right? If true, the Action 6 might make the Action 5 Pro feel outdated. Honestly, if the Action 6 delivers on this promise, it might just leave the Action 5 Pro looking like yesterday's news. When it comes to action cameras, performance and stabilization can make or break the experience. The DJI Action 5 Pro shines here with 4K video at 120 frames per second, paired with DJI's RockSteady stabilization system. Whether you're skiing down a slope or doing a backflip off a cliff, your footage stays buttery smooth. No dizzying jitters, no messy shakes. The Action 6, however, is rumored to step things up with advanced RockSteady 4.0, integrating AI-powered horizon steady that offers full 360-degree horizon leveling. Oh yes, that means every shot stays perfectly level, no matter how chaotic your movement. Imagine filming a high-octane chase scene and never worrying about the horizon tilting. Exciting, right? If this rumor turns out true, stabilization just reached a whole new level. Battery life is crucial for long adventures. The DJI Action 5 Pro offers 1,950 mAh for up to 4 hours of 4K recording, while the Action 6 is rumored to deliver longer, higher-resolution recording for uninterrupted action and fun. Durability. The DJI Action 5 Pro is rugged, waterproof 20 meters, survives -20 degrees Celsius. Action 6 promises the same durability for extreme adventures. Which one should you choose? So, here's the million-dollar question. Which camera wins your heart? The DJI Action 5 Pro is a reliable, high-performance workhorse, perfect for immediate adventures. The DJI Action 6, however, promises 8K recording, advanced AI stabilization, and enhanced smartwatch integration. The choice is yours. Stick with the trusted Action 5 Pro or embrace the futuristic Action 6. So, which side are you on for your next adventure? So tell me folks, what will it be? Will you stick with the dependable Action 5 Pro, or are you ready to leap into the future with the Action 6? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this battle isn't over, and your next adventure deserves the right camera.